Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I've done several videos on this, and I'm going to go a little further on this one. Somebody's having trouble joining two nodes. I just helped him yesterday, and he's either confused or I didn't do a good job. Let's say you have this big space. If you shift select both nodes and then highlight them, and if you will go to Windows, Dockers, and join curves, it will not join them because I keep my space, my gap tolerance at 0.01. If we change this to 0.5, look what it did. It joined them. That's because I'm in the tolerance of this node to this node is 46.46. Let's change this to 0.45. It's not going to do it because that's not in the tolerance. I'm going to shift select both of them. Make sure they turn solid. It won't do it because I'm underneath. And the reason that you want your number low, if you had a lot of lines, nodes in here, every node would jump and try to close. So let's change this to just 0.47. Grab them, select them both, hit apply. Now, while I'm here, you could chamfer them and you get that. You could fillet them and you get that. There's the error curve. I'm not going to go there. It's a totally different animal. I haven't used it in years, but it'll allow you to, it's not very easy. Now, while I'm here, it will not work if you're trying to T-bone two lines. Like if we take this line and move it out of the way with the shape tool, there's a node right there. I can go right to that node, shift select this, grab them both. It will not join them. I don't really totally understand why, but it has to be an inline. It has to be basically it has to be an arrow. So we got an arrow there. Let's take this one. Well, sometimes Corel will do that. Shift select that one and then select them both. See, I'm probably further than the tolerance. Let's go just 1 inch. See, and it connected it. So you can't T-bone. I'm hoping this helps the gentleman. He's trying to work on a project, and I'm sure this is going to work. Maybe he just doesn't understand the gap tolerance. Hope that helped him or somebody someday, and thank you for watching.